Hi guys, today we'll be replacing the interior dome light in GMC Savana. Take a look how dim and yellow it looks at the moment. We will use a bright white LED from Auxito, sizes 5, 7, 8. Pack comes with 4 bulbs, we'll use just one. The bulb has 24 small LED chips all around. It has telescopic springs on each end. These can fit various sizes of dome bulbs from 39 millimeters to 42 millimeters. The bulb is 3 times brighter than the original and the color is 6500 Kelvin. You need to start priming the color from the driver's side and then it will come out. Remove the original bulb. Be careful, it may be hot. This is how the new bulb looks compared to the original. Insert the new one and close the cover. And take a look at the difference. Much more light in the cabin right now with the new bulb. Even though there is only one, it still lights up the whole cabin. I'll leave you guys a link in the description in case if you like this one and want to get one yourself. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.